Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can download and install OnStream app in your iPhone. Here are the simple steps to download and install OnStream on your iPhone or iPad. No links, just clear instructions. Method: using a third-party IPA installer, like ToDo App or Scarlet, install a trusted third-party IPA installer app on your iOS device. Download the OnStream IPA file through the installer. Open the installer and install the IPA onto your device. After installation, go to Settings, General, Profiles and Device Management, and trust the OnStream developer profile. Now, open OnStream from your home screen and start browsing content. Method 2. Sideloading via Sideloadly. Requires computer. Install Sideloadly on your PC or Mac. Download the OnStream IPA file onto your computer. Connect your iPhone, iPad, open Sideloadly, and load the OnStream IPA. Enter your Apple ID and click Start to install. Now after that, on your device, go to Settings, General, Profiles and Device Management, and trust the newly installed profile. Now, simply launch OnStream from your device and enjoy. Thank you for watching.